Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the JQuery tutorials. So far we have seen the selectors that are the most important things. After that we have seen some of the get and set methods and some add methods, how we can add the text or the element after some elements, and how we can remove the attributes, remove the tags. So today we will see some of the CSS classes, like if you want to add a CSS class or remove the class or toggle the class or add a particular style on the click of a button. So let's see a demo. I have created a file called as CSS Classes.html, and in this I have created two paragraphs with the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 ID and some 5 buttons for them, and I have created two classes. One is the border and one is the yellow background. So as you know that this is the selector, and on click of a button, first we'll see how to add a class. If you want to add a class to a particular element on click of a button, then we can do this. These tutorials are basically for the people who are more into UI portion. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, we have to select the paragraph on which we want to add. Like I want to add on para 1. After that, what we are doing is the add class, semicolon in the end, then double quotes, and over here we have to write the name of the class. I have selected border, and over here I have pasted it. Then save it. So you can see that there are 5 buttons. One is the add class, remove class, toggle class, get CSS and set CSS. After that, there are 2 paragraphs we have. When we click on the add class, we can see that a border is applied, but sometimes we also want that multiple classes we want to add. So if you have multiple classes, like we have border and yellow background over here, so what we can do is we can separate them using a space. Do not put the comma, just add your classes by separating them with a space. Save it. Now you want to add 2 classes, that is border and yellow background, to paragraph 1. So you can just separate them by space. So when you refresh it, and you can see your original document, when you click on add class, you can see the border is added and the background is yellow. But sometimes we want to remove a class. So like this, we can first select the paragraph from which we want to remove the class. Remove class is the function, semicolon, and after that you can just, supposingly I want to remove the border from it. Save it and refresh it. You can just see first you should add the class. So now our 2 classes are added, but I want to remove the border, so you can just click on remove class, so your border is removed. Your yellow background is already there, but your border is removed. So at the same time you can also remove both the classes. Just separate them by semicolon, by space. So you have added both the classes and now you have removed both the classes. But sometimes it's like we want to toggle the classes, adding and removing the class from the elements. This you can see from here. So I want to toggle the classes. p#para 1, and I want to toggle the border class. Save it, refresh it. So I just click on the toggle class. Now when you clicked on the button, your border has come, but when you again click on this button, your border will be gone. So like this you can toggle the class. But if you click on add class, if you continuously click on it, it will not change. It will only add this particular class over there. But if you click on the toggle class, you can see that your border is coming in, leaving. After that we have the CSS. It's like sometimes we want to set the CSS, we don't want to create a class for it, we just want to put a particular style over there. So let's see, I want to put a style on para 2. Remember that whenever you want to put the CSS style, whenever you want to add this style, you have to put them in curly braces. After that I just want to write it as like and remember to put them in double quotes. And after that colon, and then again double quotes. In this you write the value of the border. So just save it, refresh it. So when you click on set CSS, oh sorry, I've done it the wrong one. Okay, over here. So when you click on the set CSS, you can see the border is there on the paragraph 2. And if you want, you can just if you want to add more than one attribute, just separate them with the comma within the curly braces, and just write another one also. Like this, just separate them by comma. When you refresh it and you click on set CSS, you can see the border and the yellow background over there. Sometimes it's like you want to get the value, so for that I'll just put a alert over here, value of CSS border property of para 2. I'll just copy paste it from here, and I want the border property, so just remember to write the border over here. Save it, refresh it. So first I'll set the CSS, after that I want to get the border property. So you can see that the border property of para 2 is 3 pixels solid and RGB 000 because it is black in color. So it has given the width, it has given the type, that is solid, and it has already also given the color of the border. So this was your CSS classes. Thanks and have a nice day.